Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset your ADT alarm system. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need a fresh start, we've got you covered. So if you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Identify the type of system. The first step in resetting your ADT alarm is identifying the type of system you have. ADT offers various models such as the ADT Pulse, ADT Command, and older systems. For this video, we'll focus on general reset steps that work for most ADT systems. Step 2. Disarm the system. Before resetting anything, make sure to disarm your alarm system. You can do this by entering your code on the control panel or through the ADT app. Disarming the system ensures that the alarm doesn't trigger while you're performing the reset. Step 3. Reset the alarm panel. Now that the system is disarmed, let's reset the alarm panel. Most ADT panels have a reset button or an option in the menu settings. To reset, go to the main menu, then navigate to System or Settings and look for a Reset or Reboot option. Select it, and the panel will start the reset process. Step 4. Power cycle the system, if necessary. If your system isn't responding or you need a full reboot, you can try a power cycle. This involves turning the power off and on. Locate the main power source for the system, which could be the transformer plugged into an outlet. Unplug it, and don't forget to disconnect the backup battery as well. Step 5. Test the system. Once your system is powered back up, the final step is to test everything and make sure it's working properly. Check your sensors, the keypad, and any additional features to ensure they're all functioning normally. If everything looks good, your reset is complete. Conclusion. And that's it. A simple way to reset your ADT alarm system. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.